Thank you for selecting Ciarra products. We will be pleasure to serve you. Please make sure to read the instruction before using it. Make sure you cut out dimension of the cabinet for your range hood is 490 by 250 millimeters, and the cutout hole is at least 35 millimeters from the cabinet edge. Unpack the product. Take out the accessories required for installation from package. Remove the aluminum filter and loosen the 2 screws on the fixing panel. Use a flat blade screwdriver to open the wire connector. Disconnect the lamp terminals. Fix the air outlet assembly. Fix the hood onto the cabinet with the screws provided. Refit the lamp terminal and wire connector. Refit the panel with the 2 screws. Install the removed filter back to the hood. Remove the protective film from the panel. Connect the power. Turn on all buttons one by one and observe whether they are normal. If there is no abnormalities, the installation is completed.